Stop. What? I can't believe you were about to do that. Do what? You were clearly about to wipe your nose snot on your trouser leg. I was not. Yeah, you were. So what? Everyone does. No. No, they do not. Well, what would you prefer I did with it? I don't know, use a tissue? Here. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. I don't know about you, but I actually care about planet Earth. The rainforests can't afford me using a tissue each time I have a nasal eruption. Be that as it may, I will not stand idly by and watch you wipe your snot on my jeans. Okay, fine. Thank you. For the record, that's not usually what I do after I sneeze. I just wasn't very hungry just now. What do you mean? Well... Oh good god, no! It's a game I like to call the sneezing game. How to play. When you're in public, say on a bus, and you notice somebody sneeze without a tissue, just continue to casually observe them. It may take a few minutes, but eventually they're going to have to do something about their handful of snot. The person has quite a few options, but most of them end up the same. Wiping. Smearing. Congratulations, you just won the sneezing game. Your prize? The satisfaction of seeing someone do something pretty disgusting. In winter, there's a sudden death bonus round when the person sneezing has gloves on.